Hi everyone, welcome to the official TradeAdapter channel. Today we'll show you how to connect your TradingView strategies with MetaTrader 5 and RoboForex, using TradeAdapter to automate your trades. Before we start, let me show you how this works. TradingView generates the buy and sell signals. TradeAdapter receives those alerts and converts them into real orders. RoboForex executes the trades directly on your account. That's the full automation flow. Let's get started. We'll start by creating a demo account in RoboForex. To do that, go to Accounts, click on Open a New Account, and choose the Demo Account option. Next, under Trading Platform, select MetaTrader 5, and for account type, choose MT5 Demo Pro. Then, set a trading password. This will be the password you'll use to access the account in MetaTrader. Once everything is ready, click Confirm. The next step is to log into our new account in MetaTrader 5. On the left panel, open the navigator, right-click on Accounts, and select Login to Trade Account. In the pop-up window, enter your MT5 account number in the login field. Add your trading password, and select the server provided by RoboForex. To confirm everything is correct, we can check the Trade tab, where the $10,000 demo balance will be displayed. At the top of the MT5 window, you'll also see the account number we just logged into. With the RoboForex demo account now linked to MetaTrader 5, the next step is to add our Expert Advisor. To do that, open the TradeAdapter website, go to the Instructions section, and select MT5 Setup. Once the page loads, you'll find the latest EA version available for download, developed by our team. Inside MT5, go to File and select Open Data Folder. This will open a directory where we navigate to MQL5, then Experts, and finally Advisors. In that location, paste the EA we just downloaded. Back in MT5, open the Navigator panel, right-click on Expert Advisors, and select Refresh to update the list. Next, on the top menu, open Tools and click on Options. Go to the Expert Advisors tab and enable the following options. Allow algorithmic trading and allow WebRequest for the listed URL. Remember that it's very important to enable algo trading in the top toolbar so you can avoid any errors later on. Now it's time to choose the pair we want to trade. In this example, we'll use XAUUSD and we'll attach the Expert Advisor directly to that chart. Within the EA settings, we need to fill in the API field. To do that, go to the My Profile section on the TradeAdapter website and copy your API key. Before closing the window, make sure that under the Common tab, the option Allow Algo Trading is enabled, so the Expert Advisor can operate without any issues. As a quick check, look at the top right corner of the chart to confirm the Expert Advisor is attached and running. Now that MetaTrader 5 is fully set up and ready to go, we can move on to the next step. Let's head over to TradingView, where we'll search for the EURUSD pair to continue with the connection process. Next, let's open the Indicators menu. In the search bar, look for UTBot Strategy, which we'll use as our example to generate trading signals in this setup. Once the strategy is attached to the chart, you'll start to see the buy and sell signals appear. From there, we create our unique alert that support any strategy. In the Alerts panel, click on Create Alert and make sure the condition is properly linked to your indicator. In this example, we'll begin by setting up the alert for the UTBot strategy signals. Next, we move to the Message tab, where we enter a clear and descriptive name for the alert, so it's easy to identify later on. To complete the final field, we go to the TradeAdapter website, open the Instructions section, and look for the message generator specifically for MetaTrader. In this case, since we're using in strategy, we select the specific message generator for it. We then enter our MetaTrader account number without take profit or stop loss, essentially simulating a spot-style trade. After that, we generate the message, copy it, and paste it directly into TradingView. In the Notifications tab, make sure the webhook URL option is selected. After running the setup for a while, our strategy begins to generate signals on TradingView, and each of those signals is processed automatically through TradeAdapter. To verify that everything has been handled correctly, we can head over to the TradeAdapter website and open the My Trades section. Inside My Trades, we go to the MetaTrader tab, where all processed trades are displayed. Here, we can review every order that was received, including the order type, the symbol, the execution price, and the broker's response. This allows us to confirm that each signal was properly converted into a valid MT5 instruction. Once we've confirmed that the trades were processed, the final step is to verify the execution directly on the broker side. To complete the verification, we then go back to MetaTrader 5 and open the History tab at the bottom of the platform. This section shows every executed order, allowing us to confirm that the trades sent from TradingView, processed by TradeAdapter, were successfully executed in our demo account. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. And don't forget to leave a like. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.